Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by picking the photos that matter most. This reduces time and bandwidth. Once chosen, compress or crop so each file is 13 MB to speed transfers and avoid timeouts. Next, pick the sharing method, AirDrop for nearby devices, a shared album for groups, or a link for many recipients, and enable Wi-Fi or hotspot. Make sure low data mode is off and Bluetooth is active for device discovery. Start the send now so uploads run immediately and don't pile up. You now optimize the actual transfer to avoid delays. For AirDrop, set visibility to contacts only or everyone, keep both devices unlocked and place them within a few meters. If using a shared album, add photos, invite recipients, and choose high or standard upload quality depending on bandwidth. For link sharing, generate the link, shorten if needed, and paste into a concise message. Once done, monitor progress bars and pause other heavy uploads so the transfer finishes quickly. Finish by confirming recipients have the photos. Ask for a quick thumbs up or check delivery receipts. If anyone missed files, resend only the missing images to save time. Should transfers stall or be slow, switch to a mobile hotspot or reduce file sizes by roughly 50% and retry. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and restart the sharing app if discovery fails. If problems persist, restart one device. This simple reset often clears connectivity glitches and completes the sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.